Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to change Instagram notification sound on Android. So let's get started. First, open Settings app on your Android device. You can even slide from top of the screen and then tap on lever icon which is for settings to access Android settings. Now tap on apps. On the next screen, you will find entire list of apps installed on your Android device. Now look for Instagram app and tap on it to open its settings. Now tap on notifications. Here select any option for which you want to change the notification sound. For example, Instagram comments. Tap on it. Here you can enable sound notifications for the selected option. Now tap on sound. Select any of the system or custom sounds to change the notification sound for that particular option. If you want to change the notification sound for any other option, then just repeat the steps. Well, the procedure and the option might be slightly different on other Android versions, but you should able to find those easily. So that is how you can change Instagram notification sound on Android. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.